24 years ago, I couldn't even buy an orange juice for my daughter. That moment of helplessness sparked a journey of transformation and determination. Seeking a better life, I ventured from Bulgaria to England, fueled by dreams of security and happiness. Initially, my plan was to marry an Englishman, to secure a better future for me and my daughter. However, life had different plans for me. Instead of following the path I thought was laid out for me, I discovered my true calling in entrepreneurship, starting my own cleaning business. This decision reshaped my destiny, teaching me that true empowerment comes from within, not from the circumstances we find ourselves in. Here is the essence of my journey. Success isn't handed to us. It is built through determination, recognizing opportunities, and taking action. Dreams are the starting point, but it's our actions that turn them into reality. If this message of turning dreams into tangible achievements resonates with you, share your thoughts in the comments with the word determination. Let me know your stories. Let me know what you think. Read the caption below.